Today I want to chat about system and the ratio between systems that are linear, nonlinear, and chaotic. And I think that you understand why it's an important topic once you see the data. But let's start with what is a system. So many people that hear system think that I'm talking about applications or technology systems, and this is not the case. For me, application and systems are a subset of the definition of a system. A system is actually a pretty simple concept. It's a bunch of parts that are interlinked one with each other in order to reach certain goal. Organization are type of a system. Application is a type of a system. Our nervous system is a type of a system. Everything that interlinked together, parts are interlinked together to reach a certain goal. It's a system. And what's fascinating is that we tend to believe that majority of systems are linear, and all of the curriculum that you will learn at school and all of the management philosophy or practices that you're going to meet or learn or implement are taking into account that stuff are linear. What it means? It means that A impact B, and as much force you're going to put in A, you're going to see it in B. So this is a linear system. When nonlinearity system, when we are talking about nonlinearity system, you're talking about a system that actually A impact B, but obviously B impact in return A as well. So it's a loop. And on the other end, I can put very few effort or very small effort on A, but get humongous result on B, and vice versa. So we have linear, now we have nonlinear, and we have chaotic system. Chaotic system are systems that on top of the nonlinearity, it's very hard or impossible to predict or to forecast how the system is going to behave, although you know how all the parts in the system are working and behaving. And what's fascinating is, let me use some diagram to make it clearer. So I'm gone, but you can see the data. What's fascinating is that you can see the outside circle, and the outside circle is actually, let's say, define all the systems that exist. But you can see that inside it, almost 75% are non-linear, extremely non-linear or non-linear system. And most of those systems are actually chaotic system. So you can see that although our management philosophy system and what we learn at school is more focused on linear system, whatever we deal in reality are non-linear or much more non-linear and chaotic. And the problem is that we need to be aware of it. We need to be aware of it because there are tools, usually computer-based, that help you to deal with chaotic environment or chaotic system. And if you don't know those tools, you are missing extremely important tool in order to survive and thrive in the reality that's folding right now and will keep on folding forever, because if we want it or not, one of the basic elements of the universe is totally expand. And when everything is expand, it becomes more and more complex. And when it becomes more and more complex, then you have to know how to do with it. And one of the elements of complexity or the characteristic or the end result of complexity is unknown behavior of the system, although you know all the elements in the system to a certain level of degree. I hope that it helps. Bye.